kitchen. I'm going to prepare some breakfast this morning. How are you guys today? It's nice to be tuning in. Yes, I'm realizing that you guys are loving these vlogs. It's really nice to know. And yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to be making some breakfast, and then we'll see how the day's proceedings go, because we have nothing really planned today. But if nothing is planned today, then we just do a mini thing in the house and stuff. So you guys can actually see how we operate and all of that good stuff. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with for breakfast. That's the tea, and I have bread. I am having the bread with the cabbage and stuff, and I gave my husband the rice with the cabbage and stuff. Eventually I found 2 slices of bread that was left, so I said I'm going to eat that. I still have some more rice in the pot. I'm going to probably allow that to stay until lunchtime. But yeah, this is what I came up with. The yellow color is curry, of course. So you know, that's why it looks like that. Yeah, so I'm going to serve and we're going to eat. So this is the aftermath of my breakfast. I hate bread skin or bread back or whatever you call it. I hate it. So I normally take it off. I'm done with that. Yeah. Probably drink some more tea or whatever. I mean, I don't know. But that's it. And yes. Mr. Gordon's plate is clean. So, oh yeah. Please excuse me.
What is? For water.
Water coming in. So, Mr. Gordon, say hello to the vlog. You have been off all morning doing your own thing. You need to say hello to the vlog. It's the Gordons, not Rakisha. Alright? Say good morning.
We just say morning again. We say morning already. Good morning, people. What's going on?
Alright.
Do you like my eyes?
Who's interested?
I don't know. Anybody?
Anyways, guys.
My number is gonna be down below. Text me. WhatsApp me.
Anyways, guys. So today, the weather is fairly okay. For the past months and so, pure rain. It was raining yesterday. It was drizzling yesterday. But I mean, if you had watched my last vlog, you would have seen the condition of the road and stuff like that. The rain did all of that, and it continued to fall like straight through. So the weather is kind of okay today. The sky. Let me kind of turn the camera and show you. What am I doing? I'm like taking picture. I don't want to take picture, but anyways, I'm going to show you what the weather looks like, because it has not been looking like this for a very long time, as the sun peeking through everything. So just so you can see the sky kind of bluish. I don't know if I can see it, but you know, the place is kind of sunnish, but the ground is still wet and damp and stuff. So this kind of weather allows people not to go anywhere really, because it's been unpredictable for the whole entire month. I mean, you're wondering if you're supposed to go out, because you don't know how you're gonna stay if you reside there and stuff. And these are the drum cross the place.
Oh.
Hi, Lizard. I
saw something again.
I think you're planning to go anywhere today, really and truly. It's just lame. It's just a lame day. Not really fascinating is going on anywhere. We're planning to go to the beach, but we can't do it today. Probably another day. So we're gonna do that. And I hope that you guys like these kind of vlogs, like home vlogs and stuff. So we do 1 and 2 little things and show you guys how we live. What time is it? Every time I find one video on some of these Indian people, you can't understand. What am I talking about?
Camera is phone or camera,
Oh yes, these Indian people, you can't understand a word. But anyways. That's a one. Oh gosh. I'm going to relieve myself of all this sunbonnet and stuff. I'll look kind of nice for you guys. Alright? You want to take over the vlog now, Kim?
No, not really. I'm going to start out try get the phone, try use my phone as a webcam, so you can connect it on the TV, so you can see yourself when you react to the video better that way.
He's a guy, he's a tech person, so he knows what he knows. Anyways, soon come. Who is this? Yes, your girl got fresh. She did her hair too. what you call this? Flat twist. Try to lay some baby hairs, but they ain't laying at all. Yes, 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 yes. See what angle I can't see me good. Yes, the glow from within. My baby hairs are not laying down at all. This thing is so greasy. Let me show you what edge control I use. So I use this one today. That's the olive oil edge control hair gel, blah blah blah. But it just do nothing for me. It does not do a thing for me. I used to use this one, Cream of Nature argan oil, perfect edge. The grease, I tell you, the grease. Oh, I don't know if you guys can suggest down below a proper edge control for me, so these baby hairs can be laid a little bit better. Forgive the back where all of that closes. I need to go and sort that out for me work tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Yes, but anyways, so this is where we're at. Alright. So I'm not sure if this thing is ready for us. We ready, Kim, or not ready? Okay, so we're setting up so that we can do the reaction as we said before. The sun actually come out. You can imagine? The sun actually is coming out for the first time in like weeks. The sun decides they want to come out today. Beautiful. Yeah, but other than that, I feel like I have the camera too close to my face more. Oh gosh, but I am using my Samsung Galaxy S3, which I don't think is the best quality. We see use Kim's iPhone 6s. That's okay? Is that name? I'm not sure. Huh?
6S Plus.
6s Plus, yeah, well, like, you know what I'm saying.
Because I do something, a lot of things I can easy to focus on something else.
Okay. Knocks not more. But anyways, so we always use his phone for vlogging, but the front camera's microphone isn't working. And for the last vlog we used the back camera, but if you realize that in that vlog some of my head, like sometimes when I vlog my head cuts off and I'm not even seeing that it's cut off. Ooh, there we are. That's coming through. Yes, so it will come through. See some mosquito there. See, I try to infiltrate this place. As I open my door, it's like, oh, heaven for them. But yeah. So as I was saying about the phone, say cut off the head sometimes, and when you even notice they cut off the head, cause I don't know. So yeah. And our other cameras, they don't have any front camera or anything. So we're trying to seek out a cheap camera on eBay or so we can use for vlogging and stuff. So let's see how it works out. But for now we're gonna just use this phone to capture the footages, and I hope that you guys like it. The quality will not be the best as yet, but you know, as time goes by, you know, we'll gradually reach to that place where we have a good vlog camera. We can, you know, get those good quality vlogs. The disadvantage of living at the roadside, everything that pass your ear, every open. But yeah, so that's what mostly is happening today. What time now? I don't know, probably after 11 or so now. But yeah, my hand I get tired. I'm going to have to get one of those sticks, selfie sticks, or so to put this on. You have anything to say to the vlog, Kim?
Not yet. I'm not sure about this. I wrote my so I get through and nobody else.
Alright guys, so I'll get back to you when something else is going on. Okay. Yes. Okay guys, so it's a very lazy lazy Sunday afternoon. Very lame, very lazy. Feel all sleepy and thing. Yeah. So nothing much is really going on. Chemist down here. You know, getting frustrated because he's trying to get something done and it's not being done. So he's liking and stuff. Not doing anything much. Guys, if you like these vlogs, please ensure that you give these videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Let's be, just one big happy family and stuff. And oh, before I go, I wanted to read some of the comments that were on the previous vlog, because they were very sweet, and I just wanted to show these persons out as well. So hold on, I can't see this so good. Alright, so for our last vlog, that was like 2 weeks ago or so. So Candy Success, big up herself. She said, finally found a vlogger in St. Anne. I subscribe, keep up the good work. Thank you so much. You guys don't really understand how these comments allow us to feel, because when I saw the comment, I was like, wow, persons were actually out there looking forward to somebody in St. Anne doing vlogs and stuff, and they found us and subscribed to us. And I just hope and I pray that we just continue to give you guys good content so that you guys can continue to come back and stuff. Yeah, I feel so happy when I saw that comment. Thank you so much, Candy Success. Thank you. Michaela London, she replied to Candy Success's comment and say, right, that's what I'm saying. So she's saying as well that, finding a vlogger in St. Anne. So Kim and I, we were very happy when we saw, the response from these comments. So it was just very nice, and I just feel so, like mushy and nice and stuff. And they were, oops, hold on, sorry. I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right. Nikaya's Stage, that's her channel's name. She said definitely subscribed, and we replied by saying thank you. We replied to all the comments, so we always will reply to all the comments. So once you comment something, we're going to reply. So guys, I just want to show you guys out. Thank you for being a part of the garden family, the garden squad. Oh my god, how that sounds so nice to hear. The garden squad. Yes, so yeah, we are definitely planning to do more vlogs, entertaining vlogs, where we go to different places, like in and around St. Anne. Yeah, and bring you guys good footage and stuff. Hopefully we can get that done with a better camera. But you know, things take time, so we'll just continue to use what we have until better comes, right? Yeah. But I'm so happy that you guys commented. Thank you guys so much. And just, you know, continue to spread the love, share it with a friend, and, you know, all of that good stuff. I'm so happy. Yeah. So, make sure to big up on yourself all the time. And, yeah, I'm so... Alright. Yeah. So, there's nothing more that will be going on for the evening. I'm going to cook the regular Sunday dinner. As everybody knows, so I'm not gonna really vlog that. Nothing else really will be happening for the evening. And yeah. So I'm going to... What the hell was that? Something drop. Oh. So basically, this is where we're going to end this vlog. So let me close out this vlog with the great KG. Alright, so we'll definitely be seeing you guys next time in a more exciting vlog. You know, in a more exciting vlog, and everything just nice and fun and stuff like that. We promise.
Yeah. We are definitely working hard to get a good camera for you guys, so we can give you guys good quality.
Yes, the good content. So guess what? We're not sure of our next upload date, but just continue to support us, and you know, we'll definitely be putting out more vlogs when we can, because we do work within the week, so we only get time sometimes on a Saturday, Sunday, to actually put content together for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Always give a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section as per usual, and subscribe to our channel and click the notification so you won't miss any of our uploads. And please follow us on our social medias. They will be listed down below in the description, so you can go and check us out now and then. We're on Snapchat. I am on Snapchat. Kem is on Snapchat, but he doesn't use it. We are on Facebook. We're on Instagram mostly on Instagram though. You know, you can catch us here.
Gordonz on Instagram.
Oh, you can follow the Gardens. I forgot. We have a Instagram page, so you can go and follow that. So you can follow us separately. Wow, right. Yeah. So, guys, just, you know, take care of yourself. We'll see you next time. All right. Peace. Bye.
I'm out.